Welcome to continue class of social science of the 5th standard. Yes, in the previous class I have taught you about the equatorial forest region. Yes, and also we have discussed about the how is the climate of the equatorial region and the living things, that is the plants, and which are the plants and the animals are found in this region. Yes, so in this region evergreen forests are found. Yes, and there are so many plants and the animals also found. Yes, and also we have discussed about the tribal peoples of this region. Yes, so let us discuss about the next one, that is desert of the world. Yes, so what is desert? Yes, so what is desert? Don't you know? Okay, so let's discuss about the desert. Yes, a desert, it is an area, that is land which gets scanty rainfall, that is yearly less than 25 centimeter, that is 10 inches in a year, and some years it does not rain at all. Yes, so that is a desert, that is an arid area of land which gets scanty rainfall. Yes, that means the desert area that not received the rainfall is approximately less than 25 centimeters or 10 inches in a year, it receives rainfall. Yes, and some years it does not rain at all. Yes, and about a fifth of the world's land is made up of desert. Yes, and most of them are sandy while some are rocky, stony or frozen. Yes, so desert area, it include sand and some of the area that included by rocks and stone and frozen, that is a frozen area by ice. Yes, and a few deserts are absolutely barren, nothing grows in them. Yes, so there are few deserts that are absolutely barren. Yes, and nothing can grows in that area. Yes, and such desert are rare though. Yes, and let's see some important deserts of the world. Yes, here you can see we have in this map I have mentioned some deserts. Yes, from Asia we have to start. So there is a Gobi desert is there. Yes, Taklamakan desert is there, Karakum is there. Yes, and if you come to Africa, there is a Sahara, Arabian and Thar desert. Yes, and next in the Australia there is a Tanami desert is there, Great Sand is there, and Gibson is there, and Great Victoria is there. And next one is in the Africa, southern part of the Africa, Namibia and Kalahari desert. These are the two important deserts of Africa continent. And if you come to the South America, there is a Atacama and the Patagon desert is there. Yes, and in the North America, Sonoran, next Mojave. So these are the, and also Great Basin, Colorado Plateau, it is also there, and Arctic desert is also there. So these are the some important deserts of the world. Yes, and desert are in all the temperature zones. Let us discuss about, there are three prominent zones are there. Torrid zone is there, temperature zone is there, and frigid zone. Yes, so there are mainly three types of desert, that is hot, that is it included tropical desert, for example Sahara. Yes, next one is cool deserts, that is temperate desert. Yes, so cool desert it included, that is Gobi desert. Yes, where is Gobi desert? That is in Asia continent. Next cold desert, for example Tundra. Yes, so these are the three types of deserts. Yes, first one is hot desert, second one is cool desert, and third one is cold desert. So these are the three types of deserts. Yes, next what types of desert it is? Yes, there are three things, and that deserts have in common strong sunshine, strong winds, and very little water and moisture. Yes, So let us discuss about Atacama Desert. Yes, so this is Atacama Desert. Even though Atacama Desert is one of the Pacific coast, it is the driest place on the earth. Yes, so it has a Pacific coast. That is Pacific Ocean is there. So it has a coastal area, but it is the driest place on the earth. Yes, and next one is the hot tropical deserts. Yes, let us discuss about the hot tropical desert. Yes, so most of the hot desert are located between 15 degree to 30 degree latitude. Yes, and this area it is considered as the equatorial region. Yes, that's why the deserts are very hot. Yes, and that is north and south of the equator. Yes, so that is 15 degree to 13 degree of north, whereas 15 degree south and 30 degree south latitudes. So this region is known as the tropical desert. Yes, and along the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, the hot desert area which included 15 degree north, whereas that is 30 degree latitudes. Yes, and they cover parts of the torrid zone and parts of the temperate zone. Yes, so the torrid, that is the hot desert, it covered that is torrid zone, and whereas the temperate zone. Yes, and there are some examples. For example, Namibia and Kalahari in Africa. Yes, so you can observe here. So Namibia and Kalahari, that is in Africa, and the Arabian and the Thar deserts in Asia, and the Great Australian Sandy Desert in Australia, and the Atacama Desert in South America, and the desert of Southwest USA and Northern Mexico, that includes the hot desert. Yes, so these are the examples of hot or tropical desert. Yes, for example, in the Africa continent there are two deserts. First one is Namibia and next one is Kalahari. Yes, next one is in the Asia continent, Arabian desert is there and Thar desert is there. Yes, whereas the Australia, it has Great Australian Desert. Yes, and in the South America, Atacama Desert is also famous. Yes, so these are some important tropical deserts of the world. Yes, let us discuss about the how are deserts formed. Yes, so how are deserts formed? Let's see the formation of the desert. Yes, so hot desert lie in the trade winds belts. Yes, and they are formed in regions where the trade wind blow offshore. That is, the winds blow from the land toward the sea. Yes, in this region, the winds that blow from the land towards the sea. Yes, and such winds are dry, and that is different from the moisture laden winds that blow from the sea towards the land. Yes, so the structure of this desert, that is the winds that are blow from the land toward the sea, and such winds they are dry. Yes, and different from the moisture laden winds that blow from the sea towards the land. Yes, so you can observe here some deserts form when tall mountain ranges block moisture laden clouds from crossing over. Yes, so it is a picture. In this picture you can observe mountains that are stopped by a the mountain, it has captured a clouds. Yes, and that's why the rain that will be in the that is the left side in the particular area. Yes, so in this picture the highest mountain, it has catched the mountains, and remaining area, that is the right side of area, that is leeward side of the area, this place it can't receive the rainfall. Yes, and the heavy clouds on one side of the mountains and then cross over after becoming lighter. Yes, and the dry side it is called rain shadow slide. Yes, so you can observe here the highest mountain it caught the clouds. Yes, whereas the clouds has stopped in that particular area, so the left side of that is the windward side, it gets the highest rainfall, whereas leeward side it not get the rainfall. Yes, and the Gobi Desert in Mongolia and China as an example of rain shadow desert. Yes, and it was formed because it falls on the rain shadow side on the Great Himalayan range. Yes, and there is another major reason for the formation of desert. Yes, let us discuss which is that. Okay, so when there is heavy deforestation, the wind blow away the top soil. Yes, so you can observe here in this particular picture there is a deforestation. Yes, there are so many trees but they don't have any leaves, that we consider deforestation. Yes, so the wind blows away the topsoil and the topsoil also gets washed away by rainfall, and gradually the rain begin to fail and the land becomes infertile. Yes, so this is a second method of the desert formation. Yes, so this is also considered as a desertification. Yes, so in the next class we will discuss about the climate. Yes, climate of a desert. Okay, so thank you for watching video. Yes, and there is a one interesting video, watch that video. Yes, thank you.